All right, we got Gracie's 2016 Nissan Rogue over here. It's got a bit of a vibration issue, so we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna show you what it looks like running, and one of the first things I found, and I will roll that now. All right, check this out. All right, you can put it in gear and hold the brake. Look at this, y'all. She's a shaky. No more vibration. And that kills it in the brake pedal. It's back. It's gone. Back. It's gone. I am going to check the motor mount on the bottom side here, but I'm pretty sure that's just clipped in. So obviously that plastic intake is rattling like crazy. You can actually feel it in the brake pedal, but it's also vibrating a lot more than it should. So I got my scope out. You can see here that is fluid from the transmission mount, which is located directly underneath this battery here. So I got my scope down there looking at it. That thing's worn out too, creating more vibration, but so we're going to end up replacing this ductwork here, which is all loosey-goosey and not held on very good. And then we'll get that transmission mount fixed if she wants to, and then that should ease out all that vibration, so that'll be good. So let me get this thing in the shop on the lift and let me talk to her, and then we'll get started on the work. All right, I'm gonna make this short and sweet and show you the solution I came up with. I actually think I might try and design and print like a collar, but honestly, this is gonna be pretty dang good for this. So with that vibrating plastic, they wanted a little over $340 for the new redesigned pieces. Like, what are they making this out of? Gold? Golly. So what we did is the joint where the two pieces go together, I literally just wrapped that sucker in electrical tape nice and tight. No more vibrations. Nada. See? Nothing. So we'll see how long that holds, and like I said, I might design a collar that you can put around there and just bolt it tight to hold this part rigid. But that's where all the vibration comes, is that joint gets loose and then it shakes and vibrates. So some nice good tight electrical tape work. She is fixed for now. And we didn't have to buy $350 worth of parts, so woo! Hopefully that helps somebody out. If it did, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you want to see more.